This gun isn't larger than life, but it is large. So this is a gun called a PCP, which stands for pre-charged pneumatic. And also, what is this? Yeah, did you add something?
I used to have it. It's just to make it easier to adjust the scope. I took it off when I mounted it because I was afraid that the magazines would be difficult to load, but it clears now. It just makes it easier because it's a larger diameter to adjust the basically the parallax.
Wait, how do I zoom?
Here, this is a zoom. Don't mess, that's your elevation and range. That's your zoom ring. Okay. I think it's a 4-12 or a 3-12. I forget.
We have four 10-round mags.
We're shooting. Just got these in from Pyramid today. JTS Dead Center.
And if you,
it's a JTS gun.
If you want some amazing
Airacuda
shots from a gun and you want it for a good price, this video is not at all sponsored by anyone, but I'm just saying from experience with me and my dad, who's behind the camera. If you want to if you want to get a good gun at a good price like this, we got it at a good price from Pyramid Air. This we got it at a good price from Pyramid Air.
Actually, we got it from their sister company.
Really?
This one? Yeah, this one, Air Gun Depot. I think they're both owned by Air Venturi. Owns both of them. Yeah. The Chaser we got from Pyramid.
So these came from Pyramid Air.
Yep, those came
and these
from
are
Pyramid.
called Dead Center. So
we go for Pyramid's good for pellets because it's buy 3 and the fourth is free.
Buy 3 and 4 is free. Yeah,
We're trying these. You want a new target?
No. It could just cause even more decimation. Safety's off, range is hot, firing. Oh yeah, did I mention it's quiet as heck? They're called Dead Center. Let's see if they hit Dead Center. Yep, literally right where I was aiming, everyone. I just shot 2 pellets in the same hole. Let's see if we can go for 3.
There's so many holes in that target, you're bound to hit a hole.
Ooh, I got 3. 4th one is a bit off. So anyways, and everyone, this thing is just this side thing.
So that's if you're for different ranges to get it in focus at a range.
So it seems so.
And we're really close.
So Dad?
They didn't range it. They should range it. We're probably like what, 10 yards maybe, if that. Like 7.
I think I accidentally just loaded 2.
Yeah, probably. Empty.
Mike Tango. I am a sniper. You hear me, everyone? I am the sniper.
Oh, my finger keeps on covering.
Purposefully gonna hit the cardboard. Literally right where I was aiming.
Empty. lightened up the trigger a little bit too. Should feel a little bit nicer.
It does feel like it's hot. Piece of green just fell off the green.
You're empty, bud. You had one left? I didn't see it moving.
Oh wait, there are some black dots. Say bye to the black dot. Say bye to that
Yeah.
black dot.
It just went flying off.
Purposefully.
I don't know how many hundreds of rounds are in that target. You fired quite a bit with the revolver before we even started filming.
Purposely gonna hit the cardboard. Yeah, literally right where I was aiming. This is an amazing gun. 10 out of 10.
And that was, I think,